Hey, and welcome. Today, we're going to talk about a piece of software that is completely changing the game for how companies manage their most important asset, their people. We're diving into SAP SuccessFactors. And trust me, by the end of this, you'll see exactly how it's shifting HR away from just paperwork and towards a people-first strategy.
So here's our game plan for today. First, we're going to talk about the pain points of old school HR. Then we'll introduce the modern solution that's flipping the script. After that, we'll peek under the hood to see how it all works, look at the kind of impact it's having in the real world, and then wrap up with what this means for the future of HR.
All right, let's kick things off with Section 1, the problem with old HR. And that subtitle really says it all. Is your job just about paperwork? You know, this probably sounds all too familiar, right? That feeling of being totally lost in a sea of forms, or maybe you're waiting weeks for an update on a job you applied for. Or my favorite, sitting in a yearly performance review that feels like it happened a lifetime ago because it's so disconnected from your actual work. That's the shared frustration of outdated HR. And this slide just lays it all out, doesn't it? On the left, you've got traditional HR, kind of stuck in the dark ages. It's reactive, it's buried in paper, and all its systems are siloed off. They don't talk to each other. But on the right, that's the modern approach. It's digital, it's proactive, and it's all about an integrated experience. We're talking about a world where you're not just tracking goals once a year, you're doing it in real time. It's a completely different ballgame.
So that brings us to Section 2. We've laid out the problem, so let's dig into the solution, a modern approach to HR, starring SAP SuccessFactors. Okay, before we jump right into the software, let's define this key term, Human Capital Management, or HCM. The best way to think about it is as the central nervous system for all things people-related in a company. It's a single, cloud-based platform that manages an employee's entire journey. We're talking from the moment they apply to the retirement party, all in one connected place. And this is where the philosophy really shifts. It's not just about making old processes a little faster, it's a whole new model. HR as a service. The idea is to completely replace those clunky old ways of doing things with smart, intelligent systems that are designed from the ground up around the employee experience. And this is where the rubber meets the road. For every one of those old school HR headaches, SuccessFactors has a direct answer. That nightmare of paper-based hiring, gone. It's replaced by a slick digital process. That confusing onboarding experience, now it's a guided, personalized workflow. And that feeling of not knowing what skills your team has, now you have clear, competency-based skill mapping. It's a straight-up replacement of problems with solutions.
Okay, Section 3. How does this thing actually work? It might sound complicated, but it's actually built around a really logical idea, the employee lifecycle. Let's map it out. You can really boil it down to 3 simple stages. First, the company's got to find you and hire you. That's recruiting and onboarding. Second, once you're in the door, it's all about helping you perform and grow. That's where things like performance management, goals, and learning come into play. And third, they need to reward you and make you want to stay. That's where compensation and succession planning tools take over. Now, at the very heart of this entire system, and this is absolutely crucial, is something called Employee Central. Think of it as the foundation, the brain, the single source of truth for every single piece of employee data. Your start date, your job title, where you sit in the org chart, it all lives here. Everything else plugs into this central hub. So once you have that solid foundation of Employee Central, you start adding these powerful talent modules around it. These are the specialized tools for each of those life cycle stages we just talked about. So you've got one for recruiting, another for performance, and a learning management system, or LMS, for all your training. Each one is a powerhouse on its own, but they all talk back to that central core. And here's a really key point. SuccessFactors doesn't live on an island. It's designed to connect to all the other critical systems a business uses. So it can talk seamlessly to your payroll and finance software. It can link up with collaboration tools like Microsoft Teams for real-time feedback. It can even connect to LinkedIn to make recruiting a whole lot easier. It's truly the heart of a connected business. So that's the how. Let's move on to Section 4 and talk about the so what. What is the real-world impact when you put all these pieces together? Let's make this real. Picture a big global manufacturing company. They're using this one system to handle all their HR across 5 different countries. Employee Central is their single global database, so everyone's working from the same information. Managers can see their team's data in real time, track goals as they happen, and push out required safety training through the learning module. And the best part?
All that data feeds into a dashboard where they can analyze trends like attrition and spot problems before they get out of hand. It's a unified HR experience on a global scale.
You know what's really amazing? This tech is creating brand new career paths. The old HR generalist role is evolving. Now you can become a SuccessFactors consultant, or an HRIS analyst who lives and breathes people data, or even an HCM solution architect who redesigns a company's entire HR process from the ground up. It's a huge opportunity for HR pros to become seriously strategic players. And that leads us perfectly into our final section, the strategic future of HR. This is all about that massive shift from just being administrators to becoming real strategists. This quote right here, this is the whole ballgame. The real power of a system like SuccessFactors isn't just that it's more efficient. It's that it completely transforms the function. It frees up HR teams from that endless reactive cycle of paperwork so they can focus on proactive workforce strategy, thinking about the skills the company will need 3 years from now, not just filling the job openings they have today.
So what does that proactive strategy actually look like? Well, it means smarter hiring based on data, not just a gut feeling. It means creating learning paths for employees that are tailored to the skills they need to grow. It means managers can actually manage based on data. And all of that leads to way higher employee engagement and an HR system that can grow right alongside the company.
So the bottom line is this. With tools like these, the job of HR fundamentally changes. It's no longer just about pushing paper and making sure rules are followed. It's about experience design. It's about being the architect of a positive, productive, and engaging journey for every single person at the company. Which leaves us with one last question to think about as we wrap this up. Take a look at your own organization, your own team. Is your workplace built for paperwork, or is it truly built for people?